ChemWhat channel, chemistry and biology insights. The fluorinated fluids market has long felt untouchable, dominated by giants like 3M, Chemours and Solvay. Their engineered fluids like 3M's Novec 7100 are benchmarks, low GWP, high exposure limits, and technical precision. But this dominance creates risk. When 3M's Belgium plant shut down in 2022, prices spiked 300%. Add in export controls, and suddenly, single-source supply chains look fragile. Now that's where ChemWhat comes in, an emerging challenger that's shaking things up. Backed by Watson International, ChemWhat has developed the 522408 cleaner, which doesn't just match Novec 7100. It outperforms it in precision cleaning and slashes costs. How? They use patented isomer ratio control to hit the ideal boiling point, boosting cleaning efficiency and solvent recovery. Plus, a unique surfactant system penetrates even micron-scale pores. On top of that, ChemWhat 522408 is PFAS-free, has a GWP under 350, and meets the strictest global regulations. But ChemWhat isn't stopping there. Their PFPE cooling fluids are targeting Solvay's strongholds, offering better thermal stability and dielectric properties, crucial for data centers, 5G networks, and high-load machinery. Local production cuts costs in Asia-Pacific, and strong certifications are winning over Europe. With plans for global expansion and next-gen smart cooling solutions, ChemWhat is rewriting the rules. As demand for high-performance fluorinated fluids explodes, ChemWhat is poised to grab over 15% of this billion-dollar market. For industry professionals, it's time to watch this space. ChemWhat isn't just playing catch-up, they're redefining the game. ChemWhat channel, chemistry and biology insights.